Hey guys, come to the final day of my C9. Oh my goodness, I'm actually going to miss this. I'm quite sad I'm leaving this behind, and considering I'm such a piglet because I eat so much. But C9 has changed my life basically, food wise. So I don't just see and shove into my mouth. I think about it and I make sure I'm hungry before I eat, and I eat smartly. So I am very, very happy to have embarked on this journey. Guys, I just want to say massive thank you to all of you who have been incredibly supportive. So thank you to everyone who has recently subscribed to me. Do you know, guys, every time I look on that subscription box and the number is gone up, oh my goodness, I do a little dance and I thank God. So I am so grateful for that. Okay, if I've said thank you too much, forgive me. I'm such a grateful human being, and yes, it has been so much fun doing daily vlogs. I'm gonna go back to my weekly vlogs where I'll be talking about so many other different things. Career, as you know, I'm a registered nurse and also a manager of a care home, so I'm very experienced in this area. So if that's your area, you might want to be watching some of my videos as well. And I'll be talking about parenting. I'm a single parent of 3 brilliant kids, so I know my bit about parenting. I might be a crazy mom, but my kids love me. Right, so yeah, there's so much in there, and my out and about videos as well, to bring some of the fun that I'm experiencing onto my videos for you guys to see. But yeah, remember that I said I'll also be updating you on how I am getting on after the C9. If I've put on weight, I shall be absolutely honest about it and I'll tell you. And if I've lost a little bit more, I will also tell you and share all that information with you moving forward. But thanks guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I shall see you again next week. Just to let you know that I am going to gradually increase my calories from next week. I'm gonna let this week go because it's nearly the end of the week. Is it? It's Tuesday today. It's not, but I'm going to stick to 600 and 700 throughout this week, or maybe just see how it goes. But from next week, I'll increase it to between 700 and 1,000 calories, then amp my exercises as well. Okay, so if you're on C9 and you've finished, gradually introduce some calories into your meals, and be very careful so that you don't put the weight back on. Okay, thank you so much guys. I love you, and thank you for your comments, your likes. Please continue to share my videos and continue to subscribe to me. Love you guys. Bye bye.